Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Situated on 7,500 square feet of land in the quiet residential community of Flamingo Beach, Trelawny, is this lovely 2-floor, 6 bedrooms, 5 bathroom income earning property. The main house consists of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, his and hers walk-in closets, living room, kitchen, dining room, laundry, and a double car garage. To the front of the building is also a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, living, dining, kitchen apartment with its own light and water meters. A 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom apartment with living, dining, kitchen, walk-in closets is to the rear of the building with own light meter and sheer water meter with the main house. The property is located close to various amenities such as supermarkets, hardware, gas station, and public beach. The house is 90% completed and comes with tiles for the entire house. Some other features of this house includes wheelchair access, garden area, grilled, main level entry, central location, easy access to amenities, family oriented, golf course nearby, private setting, view of the ocean, low maintenance yard, recreation nearby, quiet area, landscaped, seniors oriented, road paved, and level lot. The asking price for this house is Jamaican $52.9 million or US $344,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.